In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple gift card on Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can easily redeem any Apple gift card on an Android device. You will be able to redeem it into your Apple account and spend it within certain services. Keep in mind that you will not have full access to stuff like the App Store if you have an Android device, but you can still redeem the Apple gift card and get the balance into your account. So to do this, look for iTunes Redeem on Google and you will find this page on the Apple support.apple.com. Make sure that you are going into the official website. The title is going to be How to Redeem Your Apple Gift Card. When you go here, they will give you instructions and various different options that you have to redeem, but the most important one that we're looking for is this one here, Redeem Your Gift Card. Redeem your gift card for apps, subscriptions, and more. So all that you have to do is tap on this button here, Redeem Your Gift Card. When you tap on this, you will be redirected to another page. However, for whatever reason, this page doesn't seem to load for most people. If it doesn't load for you and it says not found or something similar, tap on the three dots on your web browser and choose to request a desktop site. For whatever reason, if you are going to this page on mobile, it simply refuses to load. So by changing it to a desktop site, by using this option here, it is now going to be displayed properly. Redeem your gift card. If you aren't signed in, they are going to ask you to sign into your Apple account first before proceeding, and now you can enter your code. By entering your Apple gift card code, the balance will be added onto your account. And like I said before, you can spend it within certain services that are also available on Android, like Apple TV and Apple Music. However, some options like the App Store will not be available as they are iOS exclusive. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Apple gift card on Android. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.